Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Devendra Yoga. The Devendra Yoga. There are two conditions applied. Number one, the ascendant sign should be a fixed sign, and point number two is that the 11th house lord, the Labhasthana lord, should be placed in the ascendant. It means house number 1. Then the Devendra Yoga is been formed. Let's study in detail. Devendra Yoga. When ascendant lord is in fixed sign as well as in the 11th house and the 11th house lord is in the ascendant, then the Devendra Yoga said to be formed. Ascendant stands for self, personality, energy, outlook of life. 11th house stands for incoming wealth, success in undertakings. Now, if one will have positive outlook for life with energy and passion, and if one will get success in the form of wealth and business, then will not face any financial crisis. Thus, the Devendra Yoga brings economic prosperity alongside with it. Strength of the Devendra Yoga. Strength of this yoga lies in the fact that if the ascendant and the 11th house receives malefic aspects, then the benefic results will be less visible. The Devendra Yoga's results. Devendra Yoga indicates an ruler or an equal to him, an successful commander and a powerful monarch. Through all these results may not be produced, at least some of them must be present. The requirement are the Lagna must always be the fixed sign, and its lord should be in the 11th, while the 11th lord should be in Lagna, and the 2nd and the 10th lord should exchange their houses. Two Parivartana Yogas. You can see my recording. I have given the explanation of Parivartana Yoga in my channel. Two Parivartana Yogas are therefore implied. It must be noted that mere exchange of houses is not enough to produce the yoga. The Lord must be really powerful. For the detailed study, you can approach me. This is my website. I have given the description box. The link of the website is been provided in the description box. Anyone can reach me through the website, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.